Hey guys, my name is Driz, and I have another mod video for you guys. It is about tags and how to call tags, how to make your own tags, essentially. When it comes to tags, you can really make them and not call them. So there's really no way of knowing if it works or not. The only thing you really know is if the item doesn't exist, it will tell you that the item doesn't exist. And so essentially there's really isn't much that you need to know. Um, when it comes to making your own tags, you really just need to do this essentially. And then you make a method that sets the name to a resource location using item tag wrapper, which is something that already exists. You can use block tags as well as the exact same way. So the only thing that's really important is where you put the tags. So in your resources, you're going to make a data folder, and inside the data folder, you're going to make your mod ID, and then in there, along with recipes, you're going to be putting recipes here as well as loot tables here. This is how you're going to be doing it from now on in 1.4.14. It's pretty easy, and you can add your loot tables to other things as well. Um, when it comes to tags, you're going to make two folders inside your tags, one for blocks, one for items. And essentially, tags are important because a lot of things call for tags. A good example is the log and the leaf. Um, the way they interact essentially is used by tags. So when you're spawning your tree, it will despawn the leaves. The leaves will decay real fast if you don't have the tags set correctly. So Um, there's a lot of things that need to be done when it comes to tags, and it's really useful. So tag items, for example, like when you're um, calling resources like ingots, ingots have tags, and you can really see the tags. Here's a good example of some tags: ingots.json. I think this is a tag. Yeah. So you can really find the tags pretty much anywhere inside the files, and you really do the same thing. The only thing that I really want to say, so you're going to do this way, but without the hashtag like they did it. So mine is done this way. I have this set as a log just for fun, just to show you guys an example. And essentially, you set this to false. And the reason why you set it to false is because it will replace all the other tags with yours, essentially, instead of combining them, which is what's currently happening. So it's important to not set them to replace. This is for people who are making mod packs, and that way, if you do want to completely replace something and make it your own, you have that opportunity. So, like, if you want to make your own log JSON, then you can replace the whole system, all the log JSONs with just yours, and that's an option. So it's pretty well set up. It's pretty great. It really is just this one. If all you need is this one class set up just like this, and you can make as many tags as you want, and you literally just call them from here. So I would be calling test tags.blocks.test tag, and this is good enough to replace an item in your inventory. You should be able to, when you call inventory slots, you should be able to call this as well as an item tag. So it will search for fuel, for example, if you're making a fuel. If you wanted to check to see if it's a fuel, that's another option. So things like that. You really have a lot of versatility, but it's really simple. This is really all there is to it. If you have any questions, like every other video, everything's in the description. I am supporting this mod community. They're really great. I will be helping people out on there primarily. So if you want assistance with any of this stuff and you have questions, or you have suggestions, please let me know. I'm definitely around. My name is Driz, and subscribe, follow, all that fun stuff. Thanks a lot, guys.